In this video, we want to solve the differential equation y prime equals 2y plus x squared plus 5. This is a first order linear differential equation, so we want to put it in this standard form. That means that we need to first, we'll change y prime into dy over dx, and then we'll move over the 2y, and then leave the x squared plus 5 on the right side. So now we can clearly see that p of x is negative 2, q of x is x squared plus 5. The next step is to find the integrating factor. The integrating factor, mu of x, is e raised to the integral of p of x dx. We said p of x is negative 2, so we're going to take the integral of negative 2, which is negative 2x, so our integrating factor is e to the negative 2x. Now we can multiply both sides by e to the negative 2x. Notice on the left side, what we have here is a product rule of y and e to negative 2x. So we can represent this side as just a derivative of y e to negative 2x, and on the right side we'll just leave it alone. Now to cancel the derivative, we have to do the integral. So we'll integrate both sides, and so the derivative and the integral are going to cancel, and so we need to integrate x squared plus 5 times e to the negative 2x dx. Well, for that we're going to use integration by parts. So we have well, let's first break it up. We'll distribute the e to the negative 2x to both the x squared and the 5 to have two separate integrals. And then we'll use integration by parts to integrate x squared e to the negative 2x to get negative 1/2 x squared e to the negative 2x minus 1/2 x e to the negative 2x minus 1/4 e to the negative 2x. And then for the second integral, that's just going to be negative 5/2 e to the negative 2x. So now we could just combine those two and add the constant c. So this is what happens when we combine both of the integrals. And then we're going to plug it into the right side of the equation. So remember, on the left side we had y e to the negative 2x, and we want to solve for y. So we need to multiply both sides by e to the 2x and get this as our final answer.